How to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Further, scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps, and then scroll down again and navigate to WhatsApp and tap on it. Here, make sure the contact option is enabled. So tap on contacts and make sure it is set to full access. And if not, then tap on the full access option. And in the confirmation that appears, tap on full access again. After enabling, reopen WhatsApp and your names should appear within seconds. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then open WhatsApp and make sure you are in the chats section, and if not, then tap on the chats tab. Now, tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen and then scroll down to refresh the contacts. Now, wait for a few seconds and WhatsApp will rescan your address book. And if the issue is still not fixed, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. Also, open settings again and then tap on your name on top. Further, tap on the iCloud option there and then tap on the See All option. Now go ahead and make sure the toggle button for contacts is toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the contacts toggle button. Now, go back to settings homepage and scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option you see there, and then tap on the contacts option. Here, make sure the WhatsApp option is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and set it to full access and then restart your WhatsApp application. You can also try to restart your iPhone as a simple reboot resets system caches and reinitializes contact permissions. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp contact name not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.